happened? Last night we stuck on our Tuff Country steering stabilizer kit, part number 66250, if you want to look that up on shop@metalworks.com. But today, Saturday morning, lost track of time, we're going to get the back end of this truck up a little bit. It's got 180,000 miles on it. It pulled a camper for a while, so it's got some sag in the rear, and we've already had a leveling kit put on at some point, not sure when. So we need to get the back end back up. We're going to do that with Tuff Country's Add a Leaf. This is a 2-inch setup. Just put it right in your spring pack, add this leaf to it, get the back end back up where it needs to be. So again, this is a 2-inch. I believe the part number is 82950. If you want to look that up on shop@metalworks.com as well. That's the part number from Tuff Country itself. So let's get these on, get the back end up, get this truck level. I don't care what anybody says, I can't stand squatting ass in. It just looks dumb to me. Sorry. Not sorry. Alright, so if you were watching that, half of that had to be cut out. Only problem about doing business out here at the family shop is, well, it is a business. Even though we're closed here on Saturdays, excuse me, you know, people still stop by and I get interrupted constantly. It's the reason I don't make a lot of these videos. So, what we've done so far, took it apart obviously, got the new ply in there, started tightening it up. I'm gonna leave that alone the way it is right there. Go to the other side, which I got the U-bolts already out so I could drop the rear down. We're going to disassemble that, put that all back together, and then we'll jack it up and start putting weight of the truck on it. Finish tightening the bolt up, the pin there for the leaf springs. Once we do that, cut our access off on the other side, put it all back together. And I already know what's going on right now. I can see all the West Coast guys going, oh my gosh, why are you even working on that? It's all rusty and crusty and scaly. And, you know, most of us East Coasters or guys from way up north are going, well, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's workable because this is what we're used to. Again, this is a 2006, so it's an older truck. It's got some miles on it. It's seen some salt. It's stayed mostly in Panhandle, West Virginia, southwestern Pennsylvania, and northern Virginia as far as I know. So, yeah, it's seen salt, winter, snow, rain, humidity, lots of humidity. But we'll clean all that up. We'll get some paint on it. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Alright, so you're going to see a bunch of stuff that's already been done because the battery went dead and it didn't save the video. So, you're going to be going through this and all of a sudden, what happened? The battery went dead and I lost a bunch of footage. Sorry, my bad. Shouldn't have happened. That was a rookie mistake. Yeah. Alright, so obviously I went through, put a bunch of paint on everything, but as you can see, leaf springs in there, can't even tell which one it was, and just by jacking the truck back up, I can already tell this thing is sitting much higher, and I'm digging it. So, get the wheels on, get a little video of it, see the difference in the height, should be good to go. gooder, much gooder. 2-inch Tuff Country add leaf on this truck. It's sitting up there and I am digging it. It's sitting slightly higher, if anything, in the rear, which I'm okay with because if we put a trailer behind it, we put a gooseneck behind it, it's not going to squat that much. It's going to be to a minimum, which is what I wanted. I don't want this thing squatting in the rear, all laid back. I'm not into that. I don't dig that. If you are, sorry. Actually, I'm sorry for you that you dig it. Anyway, that's just my opinion. But this thing is sitting the way I want it to now. Let's get it outside, get it in some natural light, and really see the difference that it made. Truck is sitting where it should be. It had that leveling kit up front with this old springs that were just weak. Needed to get it back up there. Put the add-a-leaf, the 2-inch add-a-leaf from Tuff Country in. Got it slightly elevated, which is perfect in my opinion. Because again, if you put a trailer on it, it's just going to bring it down level, or it'll slightly squat, which I'm okay with. Perfect setup. Can't even tell they're in there now. It's great. Digging it. Loving it. Much gooder. Of course, it goes even better with the dual stabilizer kit from Tuff Country as well. It's good for up to 35-inch tires. That's why we went with it, because there is 35s on it. Before anybody gives me crap, I know those are junk 35s, but we went with them just so we can start the process of getting this truck inspected and all that good stuff. Probably be putting some intercoats on there for too long. Stay tuned. A lot more to go on this truck. Going to be doing a headache rack for the rear. Going to be doing a tubular bumper up front to kind of go along with the one in the rear. So yeah, a lot more coming. Stay tuned.